Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make chain 5 foundation loop. To begin, leaving a 6 to 8 inches tail of yarn, we coil the yarn around the finger and make a slip knot, and I already made a slip knot. So chain 6 for the first loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over 4 times. That will be the instruction. If it's a written instruction, that's how the instruction should look like. So yarn over 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And insert hook on 6 chain from hook. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we insert hook on the 6th chain, making sure we catch 2 strands of yarn to be on top of the hook, and draw up a loop. Then you see 6 loops on hooks, so that's 1, counting by 2, 1, 2, 3 times 2 is 6, like that. Then yarn over and draw loop through 2 loops on hook, so that's the yarn over, then draw up through 2 loops on hook 5 times, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first chain 5 foundation loop is made, and that's how it looks. And for the purpose of identifying where to insert the hook on my next instruction, let's identify the side. So this loop here is the change side of the loop. The whole thing is called a loop. So this is the chain. This is the change side of this loop. So, and there is 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will be the yarn over side of this loop, and you kind of have to mark this kind of V shape, slanted V right there, or slanted inverted V as a marker, so that we know where to insert the hook later on when we're making the rows. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them also. So this is the yarn over side, and this is the chained side. So for the second and subsequent loops, make chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then insert hook on 2 strands of yarn of the last yarn over of the first loop we made. So this, we're referring to these 2 strands of yarn here, which are the last yarn over loops that we made on the making the first loop. So insert it right there, draw up a loop until you see 6, 2, 4, 6. Yarn over and draw up a loop through 2 loops on hook. Repeat 5 times. Yarn over, draw up a loop through 2 loops on hook, that's 2. Yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook, that's 3. Yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook, that's 4. yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook, that's 5.